Welcome back to the second session of UGC NET 2007 test paper 1 for the preparation of upcoming UGC NET exam. So in the solution of paper 1 we have already seen the first 25 question solution. So let's just start with the question number 26. The question is, it is truism to say that no one was there when life first appeared on earth. Any assertion about life's origin thus should be treated as a theory. The above two statements constitute. Okay, so the statement one is, it is truism to say that no one was there when life first appeared on earth. And the second one is, any assertion about life's origin thus should be treated as a theory. So two statements constitute historical explanation. No, there isn't anything that is reflecting historical, right? It is also not a narrative kind of a story. It is not a kind of conjecture, but it is the argument. You can say that it is an argument. So both are constitute about arguments. Option third is the correct answer. The next question is, given below are four statements. Among them, two are related in such a way that they can both be true, but they cannot both be false. Select the code that indicates those two statements. So we need to find here among these four which two statements can always be true, but they cannot be false. So let's consider code 1, that is A and B. Honest people never suffer, and B, almost all honest people do suffer. So statement B is making contradiction with statement A, so it is not the correct answer. Let's take A and C. Honest people never suffer, and C is honest people hardly suffer. Never suffer and hardly suffer. This is again not true, because never doesn't match here with hardly. Option C. Okay, option C, A and D. Honest people never suffer, and each and every honest person suffers. So it is completely contradicting. So again not answer. If three options are incorrect, fourth one will itself be correct. But it again, let it check. Almost all honest people do suffer. Almost all honest people do suffer. Honest people hardly suffer. Means you can say that there is somewhat kind of relatability which is matching. Means either these two can be true, but they cannot both be false, because if itself one can false, other not match true. That is why B and C, option 4th is the correct answer. The next one is, a deductive argument is invalid if option A, its premises and conclusion are true. If its premises and conclusion are true, then it is not invalid. It should be valid, but we need to find invalid. Option 2, its premises and conclusion are false. So if both are false, can't say invalid. Its premises are false, but conclusion, if premises itself are false, then no need to find whether it is valid or invalid. Option 4, if its premises are true but conclusion is false. Yeah, if its premises are true but conclusion is false, it means that it is invalid. So option 4 is correct. If they will ask valid, then option 1 may be the correct answer. Question number 29. Okay, it is based on syllogism. Important topic. Premises are all bats are mammals. So suppose here are bats. All bats are mammals. And no birds are bats. No birds are bats means there may be the two cases. Birds are completely different. No birds are bats. No. So birds are, suppose they are different. And birds may be the part of mammals, but may not be the part of mammal. Means two cases may be there depending upon these premises. Now conclusion. No birds are mammals. No birds are mammals. We can't say it is correct. Why? Because this may be the scenario in which some birds may be the mammal. Because this may be the case now. So option 1 is incorrect. Completely incorrect. Option second. Some birds are not mammals. Some birds are not mammals means they are talking about this case. But it may be the case where some birds may be the mammals, isn't it? So some birds are not mammals. Okay, one more cases is there that birds should also be exist there, in which all birds may be the part of mammals. So statement second is again incorrect. No bats are birds. Yeah, no bats are birds. It is 101% true. 101% true. So we only need to find the statements or the conclusion which will 100% true in complete scenario. Universally true statement should be there. And statement 4, all mammals are bats. All mammals are bats. All mammals should not be bats. You can see there, na? It may be the condition where some mammals are not be the bats. So again, it is not universally true. So only statement 3 is the correct answer. Question number 30. Just as melting ice cubes do not cause a glass of water to overflow, melting sea ice does not increase oceanic volume. What type of argument is it? So basically here we are supporting the second statement on the basis of conclusion of first statement, that if it is so, then on the basis of that similarly it may be the so. So such kind of statements are called analogical statement, means in which we support the second statement on the basis of conclusion of first one. It is called as analogical argument. We are applying analogy. Option 1 is the correct answer. Okay, the next 5 questions are based on quantitative aptitude. Okay, so we will solve it at the end so that interest may not get somewhere else because they might get lengthy. So we will solve in the last portion of our session. Okay, now the next 5 question here we are solving first for ICT, that is for information and communication technology. Very important part and scoring part in which you can cover 100% marks, means out of 5 you can cover 5. Just need to know about basic concept. Okay, so the first question 36 is, what is the name of web page address? So web page address is generally known as URL, uniform resource locator. The data storage hierarchy consists of, so smallest to largest we need to find bits, smallest unit, then bytes, then fields, then records, then files, and then last database. Option 2 is the correct answer. The next one is, which one of the following domains is used for profit business? For profit business, commerce.com is used. What is full form of USB? Very important question, mostly asked in UGC NET kind of things. USB is Universal Serial Bus. Which of the following represents billion characters? Billion characters means gigabyte. Gigabyte is generally known as, we just say na 1 GB. 1 GB means 1 billion characters. GB. So for answer of 40th is 4. Question number 41. Which of the following pollutants is the major cause of respiratory diseases? Option A, suspended fine particles. Option B, nitrogen oxides. Option C, carbon monoxide. And option 4, volatile organic compound. So the question is, which of the following pollutant is major source of respiratory? For respiratory disease, suspended fine particles in the air, they caused by this. Question number 42. In urban areas, smog episodes occur frequently in the winters. In urban areas like Delhi, smog episodes occur frequently in winters. You can simply take example of Delhi, 101% correct scenario. Reason, in winters a lot of biomass is burnt by the people for heating purposes or to keep themselves warm. It is one of the correct explanation which is supporting our assertion that if it is so, this is the correct explanation. It is one of the correct explanation. There might be more than one correct explanation, but even if we are getting one of the correct reason, we can say that both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Why it is so? Because we need to fit it with the universal condition that in urban areas smog episodes occur frequently. What is the complete reason because of that? So we need to find exact that why smog episodes occur frequently, because in other areas also if we consider, okay, we just need not to make it generalized, but region should be completed, and it is not matching here with. So option 2 is the correct answer. Simply. Question number 43. Occurrence of natural hazards is affected by option A, land uses, option B, drainage and construction, option C, ozone depletion, and option D, climate change. So occurrence of natural hazard is affected by which? Choose the correct answer. So effect of natural hazard, land use changes. If we are changing the use of land, then natural hazards may occur. Means suppose you are going to shift on the kind of natural thing near side rivers or in the topmost peak of the land side on mountains, then it may cause natural hazard. So it may affect land use changes. Ozone depletion may be the cause. Okay, ozone depletion is not the cause for, it is not a cause for natural hazard. Natural hazard is different. Okay, climate change is a natural hazard, like climate change. Climate change means too much raining. Too much raining is there, so it is a natural hazard. Okay, drainage and construction. Suppose drainage are made, and okay, so option 3 is the correct answer. A, B, and D is currently making. Ozone depletion doesn't. It is ozone depletion is basically related with greenhouse gas effects, right? So only A, B, and D are the correct answer. The next one is, which of the following pollutant gases is not produced both naturally and as a result of industrial activity? Okay, CFCs, nitrous oxide, carbon dioxide, and methane. So we need to answer that which of the following pollutant is not produced both naturally. It should not be produced by naturally and as a result of industrial activity. Okay, methane is produced naturally. Carbon dioxide produced by industrial activity. Nitrous oxide, laughing gas, it may be produced by industrial activity. Chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, they not be produced by both naturally and as a result of. CFCs are there, that is only caused by industrial activity. But methane, carbon dioxide, and nitrous oxide, they are produced by both naturally as well as industrial activity. So option 1 is the correct answer. Among the following fuel of energy, which is the most environment friendly? Environmentally most environment friendly, hydrogen. Absolutely correct answer. Hydrogen is the most environment friendly. Question number 46. Which of the following are the goals of higher education? What should be the goal of higher education? Access, correct. It is the one of the goal. Equity, correct. Quality and excellence, correct. It is again the goal of higher education. Relevance toward, okay, it is again correct answer. Value based education, answer. Compulsory and free education, compulsory, it is not a compulsory, not a free, it is not a goal. A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D. Option 3 is the right answer. The next one is, which of the following has been ranked the best college in country 2017 as per the National Institution Ranking Framework, NIRF? So you just go through the GK with that, and Miranda House, I am correctly answering it. But for 2020, I am suggesting you that just read out National Education Polity 2020. There is a chance of asking 1 to 2 questions from this, as well as just see the NIRF ranking of 2020 of various colleges, universities, because they may ask such kind of question on the basis of previous year question. We can say that. Question number 48. Which of the following universities has received the Visitors Award for the best central university? Best central university. Okay. In India in February 2000, JNU. That was JNU. In recent news, you can see that I am correctly answering it, but it was JNU. Visitors Award. It got the, it received the Visitors Award both for best central university. The next one is, who among the following can be removed by president without parliament's resolution? Judge of High Court, no. Chief Election Commission, no. Controller and Auditor General, no. Governor of State, yeah, Governor of State can directly be removed by president at any time of direct rule, direct powers in the hand of presidents are there. So option 2 is the correct answer. Option 2 is the correct answer. And 50. Which of the following comes within the ambit of term corruption? Corruption, okay. Option 1. Misuse of official position, yeah, it is a corruption. Deviation from rules, laws and norms, it is also corruption. Non-action when action is required, it is one kind of corruption. Harm to public good, it is also corruption. Option 4 is the correct answer. A, B, C, D. Correct. Okay. So let's just solve quantitative aptitude question which was left. Okay. We may need space here. Na? That is why I am doing this. Okay. 31 to 35. 5 questions. So guys, I am just requesting you to please subscribe our YouTube channel so that in future also we will make important mock test, important practice tests and important video lectures for you which will be helpful for your upcoming exam preparation of UGC NET and other exams, and we will also make you aware with each and every kind of exams here. So at least give us response. Please like the video, please share the video with your friends and community, just like UGC NET preparation community, GATE preparation community, right? And guys, please comment us if you have any kind of queries or doubts while preparing or while solving this kind of questions. Do subscribe, don't forget to subscribe guys, please. Now question number 31. The maximum decadal growth in population of India is registered in the period. Maximum decadal growth in the population. Okay, so this is the column of population of India. In this decade, if I will see around 110 million growth, 110 millions is the growth. In this decade, if I will see 548, 683, okay, 80, consider it 80, 90, 80, okay, around 130 million, around. I am doing it approximately 680 and 840, so 680 and 850. Around 50 plus 150 and around 170, isn't it? Okay, 683, 783 means 100 plus 50 means around 170. Okay, here 846 and 128, it's around 850 and consider as 130, so 850 means 150 plus 30, around 200. And here if I will see 210 minus means around 180, around. So the maximal growth, if I will see maximal growth now, maximal growth is in the 1961 to 1971. Why? Because if I will compare 110 with the 439, then it can be like more than 25%. More than 25% growth is there in this decade as well. But 130 to 1548 ratio is not that much, and 200 to 846, okay, it's also around 25. Do we have 91 to 2000? Okay, we also have this option, so need to do it accurately. Okay, again option 1 is the correct answer, you can do it. So maximal decadal growth is in the 1961 to 1971. Question number 32. In which year the decadal growth of number of cars surpassed that of the two-wheelers? Here it is a two-wheelers, and here, okay, two-wheelers number begin cars are the two-wheelers total weight. Two-wheelers are there, and cars, jeeps and taxis, okay, both. So cars surpassed, you know. Okay, so in which year it is surpassed? 1991. In which year decadal growth? Decadal growth means 11, after 11 to 29 means 11 to 30, I can make it like that. Okay, 10 to 30 means around 33 point something growth is there, and here 26 to 142 into so 100. Okay, so decadal growth is much more here. Okay, 142 minus 26, around 106. So here much more growth. In 2001, what you need to do, you just need to do present value with the previous value and need to compare it. So if you will observe here in 2011, here is a growth from 70 to 191, but here it is a growth from 385 to directly 1018. So in 2001, decadal growth of the two-wheelers are much more is compared with the cars. So 4 is the answer. For exactly doing what you need to do, just do it like that. 1018, 2018's two-wheeler minus 2001's decadal is 385. whatever should be there, compare it with 385 and multiply with 100. You will get it in percentage. So this percentage is much more than comparative other ones. So option 4 is the right answer. Let us solve question number 33. What was the average decadal growth in the number of cars during 1961 to 2011? 1961 cars are 3.1 million, 3.1 lakh in 1961. In 2011 it is around 191.23 in 2011. Subtract it, 188, approximately 188 lakh. Now 188 divide it with 3.1, as we need to find growth in the comparative state of from 1961. We need to find how much growth is there now. That is why divide it with 3.1 and also multiply it with 5. Why? Because we need to find average decadal growth. So total 5 decades are there and just multiply with 100. So I am doing it approximately 3.1 means 6 ja 18 and 3 3 ja 9, 5 2 ja and 63 20 means around if I will take the figure, it is around 126%. Around 126% means option 1 is the correct answer. The question number 34 is in the year 2001, out of the total number of vehicles means in 2001, that is 549.91, the number of passenger vehicles, four-wheelers, are accounted for. The number of passenger vehicles, four-wheelers, out of this how many percent of four-wheelers are there? Means 70.58 plus 6.34 out of total number of vehicles. How many number of passenger vehicles, four-wheelers, good vehicles, it may be used for that now. Okay, others 57.95. so let it make it as a figure now. 2. Okay, so 2 I am doing it approximately 146. Okay, 146, 549, 549, 549. Okay, they are not vehicle. This is not the part of vehicle now, because others, what does other means? We just need to include this 29 on the place of this 29.48. So 29 means 30, we can consider 36, around 100 and something kuch. It is very lesser than 20%. 40, approximately 14% is the answer, guys. You can do it. And the question number 35. What was the per capita ownership of two-wheelers in India in the year 2011? 2011, the total population is 10.19 million, means 10 lakh into 10 lakh. Okay, per capita ownership two-wheelers, and two-wheelers are 1417 lakh, 1417 lakh. So 10 lakh, 1 lakh means 1 0 should be there, and you need to cancel it. 14175.8 divided by 1210. Per capita we need to find. So it's like 1210 and one more zero should be there. So it's like 1417.5 divided by 12101.9. So it will be around 0.008, approximately 84%. Option 2 is the correct answer. So you can do this calculation, you will easily find it, right? So guys, do subscribe our YouTube channel, press the bell icon button for more videos, and have a very nice day. If you have any kind of comments or doubt in any question, please comment us. I will try to solve them as early as possible. Thank you so much, guys. Have a very nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel.